Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change your password for Monday.com. Whether you're updating your security settings or simply want to refresh your login credentials, this process is straightforward and only takes a minute. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to locate your profile picture in the top right corner of your screen. This is your gateway to all personal account settings on Monday.com. Go ahead and click on it, and you'll see a drop-down menu appear with several options for managing your account. From that menu, click on My Profile. This takes you to your personal profile page where you can adjust various settings related to your account. Here you'll find everything from notification preferences to security options, making it a central hub for customizing your Monday.com experience. Once you're on your profile page, look for the Password tab and select it. This tab is specifically designed for managing your login credentials, ensuring you can keep your account secure with a strong, updated password whenever needed. Now you'll see 3 password fields appear on your screen. In the first field, enter your current password. This step is important because it verifies that you're the actual account owner making the change, adding an extra layer of security to prevent unauthorized access. Next, type your new password in the second field. Make sure to choose a strong password that combines letters, numbers, and special characters if possible. A robust password helps protect your account from potential security threats and keeps your Monday.com workspace safe. After that, retype your new password in the third field. This confirmation step ensures you didn't make any typos when creating your new password, preventing the frustration of being locked out due to a simple mistake. Finally, click the Save button to confirm your changes. Once you click Save, your new password will be immediately active, so make sure you remember it or store it securely in a password manager. And that's it. You've successfully updated your Monday.com password. Your account is now secured with your new credentials, and you can continue managing your projects with peace of mind. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.